Hello guys. So this you might be wondering that what are we doing? Like what is this background that you have got here? Like are we talking about like space or something? Well yes, we are talking about a part of space which is our solar system, which consists of a star, which is our sun, 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, 294 moons, more than 1.3 million asteroids, 3.9 times 10 to the power 3 comets, and so much more. So let's start. The solar system was formed 4.5 billion years ago by a gravitational collapse of a giant interstellar molecular cloud. Over time, the cloud formed the Sun and a protoplanetary disk that gradually coalesced to form planets and other objects. Let's start with the main star of the video, Sun. The Sun has a diameter of 1,392,000 kilometers. The temperature of Sun is 5600 degrees Celsius. The density of Sun is 1.41 gram per cubic centimeter. The Sun is made up of hydrogen and helium. Scientists have said that there are some stars which are nearly 1700 times bigger than the Sun. Now with our first and smallest planet of our solar system, Mercury. Mercury has a diameter of 4879 kilometers. The distance of Mercury from Sun is 69.366 million kilometers. Mercury has a temperature of 430 degrees Celsius. Mercury takes 88 days to revolve around the Sun. Mercury takes 59 days to complete a rotation around its axis. Mercury is made up of iron, thorium, chlorine, potassium, sulfur, and sodium. Mercury has a speed of 170,505 kilometers per hour. Mercury's density is 5.43 grams per cubic centimeter. A day on Mercury lasts for 1,408 hours. Now with our second and the hottest planet of our solar system, Venus. Venus has a diameter of 12,104 kilometers. The distance of Venus from Sun is 107.49 million kilometers. Venus has a temperature of 464 degrees Celsius. Venus takes 224.7 days to revolve around the Sun. Venus takes 243 days to complete a rotation around its axis. Venus is made up of carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Venus has a speed of 126,077 kilometers per hour. Venus' density is 5.24 grams per cubic centimeter. A day on Venus lasts for 5,832 hours. Now with our third and the most lively planet of our solar system, Earth. Earth has a diameter of 12,742 kilometers. The distance of Earth from Sun is 147.76 million kilometers. Earth has a temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. Earth takes 365 days to revolve around the Sun. Earth has a moon called the moon or Luna for some people. Earth takes 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds to complete a rotation around its axis. Earth is made up of silicon, iron, oxygen, magnesium, aluminium, calcium, sodium, and potassium. Earth has a speed of 107,226 kilometers per hour. Its density is 5.51 grams per cubic centimeter. A day on Earth lasts for 24 hours. Now with our fourth and the most dustiest planet of our solar system, Mars. Mars has a diameter of 6,779 kilometers. The distance of Mars from the Sun is 230.52 million kilometers. Mars has a temperature of minus 63 degrees Celsius. Mars takes 687 days to revolve around the Sun. Mars has two moons called Phobos and Deimos. Mars takes 24 hours and 36 minutes to complete a rotation around its axis. Mars is made up of silicon, oxygen, iron, magnesium, aluminium, calcium, and potassium. Mars has a speed of 86,871 kilometers per hour. Mars' density is 3.93 grams per cubic centimeters. A day on Mars lasts for 25 hours. Now with our fifth and the most largest planet of our solar system, Jupiter. Jupiter has a diameter of 139,822 kilometers. The distance of Jupiter from the Sun is 778 million kilometers. Jupiter has a temperature of minus 110 degrees Celsius. Jupiter takes 12 years to revolve around the Sun. Jupiter has 95 moons and the largest moon is Ganymede. Jupiter takes 10 hours to complete a rotation around its axis. Jupiter is made up of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has a speed of 47,051 kilometers per hour. Jupiter's density is 1.33 grams per cubic centimeters. A day on Jupiter lasts for 10 hours. Now, with our sixth and the most interesting planet of our solar system, Saturn. Saturn has a diameter of 116,500 kilometers. The distance from Saturn and Sun is 1.457 billion kilometers. Saturn has a temperature of minus 178 degrees Celsius. Saturn takes 29.4 years to revolve around the Sun. Saturn has 146 moons, and the largest moon is Titan. Saturn takes 11 hours to complete a rotation around its axis. Saturn is made up of hydrogen and helium. Saturn has a speed of 34,821 kilometers per hour. Saturn's density is 0.687 grams per cubic centimeter, the lightest density of all planets. A day on Saturn lasts for 11 hours. Now, with our seventh and the most coldest planet of our solar system, Uranus. Uranus has a diameter of 50,724 kilometers. The distance of Uranus from the Sun is 2.9339 billion kilometers. Uranus has a temperature of minus 224 degrees Celsius. Uranus takes 84 years to revolve around the Sun. Uranus has 27 moons, and the largest moon is Titanium. Uranus takes 17 hours to complete a rotation on its axis. Uranus is made up of water, NH3, CH4, which are ammonia and methane. Uranus has a speed of 24,607 kilometers per hour. Uranus' density is 1.27 grams per cubic centimeters. A day on Uranus lasts for 17 hours. Now, with our eighth and the most windiest planet of our solar system, Neptune. Neptune has a diameter of 49,244 kilometers. The distance of Neptune from the Sun is 4.4726 billion kilometers. Neptune has a temperature of minus 200 degrees Celsius. Neptune takes 165 years to revolve around the Sun. Neptune has 14 moons, and the largest moon is Triton. Neptune. Neptune takes 16 hours to complete a rotation around its axis. Neptune is made up of water, ammonia, and methane. Neptune has a speed of 9,650 kilometers per hour. Neptune's density is 1.64 grams per cubic centimeters. A day on Neptune lasts for 16 hours. Now, with our first and the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system, Ceres. Ceres has a diameter of 946 kilometers. The distance of Ceres from the Sun is 413 million kilometers. The temperature of Ceres is minus 73 degrees Celsius. Ceres takes 4.6 years to revolve around the Sun. Ceres takes 9.1 hours to complete a rotation. Ceres is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Ceres has a speed of 64,440 kilometers per hour. Ceres has a density of 2.08 grams per cubic centimeters. A day on Ceres takes 9.1 hours. Now with our second and the biggest object in the Kuiper belt, Pluto. Pluto has a diameter of 2,376.6 kilometers. The distance of Pluto from the Sun is 5.9 billion kilometers. The temperature of Pluto is minus 232 degrees Celsius. Pluto has 5 moons, the largest one being Charon. Pluto takes 248 years to revolve around the Sun. Pluto takes 153 hours to complete a rotation. Pluto is made up of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Pluto has a speed of 17,096 kilometers per hour. Pluto has a density of 1.88 grams per cubic centimeter. A day on Pluto takes 153 hours. Now with that third and the dwarf planet, which looks like an Easter bunny, Mercury. Mercury has a diameter of 1,420 kilometers. The distance of Mercury from the Sun is 6.847 billion kilometers. The temperature of Mercury is minus 243 degrees Celsius. Mercury takes 305 years to revolve around the Sun. Mercury has one moon, which is nicknamed MK2. Makemake takes 22.5 hours to complete a rotation. Makemake is made up of nitrogen and methane. Makemake has a speed of 15,908.4 kilometers per hour. Makemake has a density of 1.7 grams per cubic centimeters. A day on Makemake takes 22.5 hours. Now with our fourth and the weirdest dwarf planet, Haumea. Haumea has a diameter of 1400 kilometers. The distance of Haumea from the Sun is 6.452 billion kilometers. The temperature of Haumea is minus 240 degrees Celsius. Haumea takes 285 years to revolve around the Sun. Haumea has two moons, Namaka and Hyakko. Haumea takes 4 hours to complete a rotation. Haumea is made up of potassium, thorium, and uranium. Haumea has a speed of about 1600 km per hour. Haumea has a density of 2.6 grams per cubic centimeter. A day on Haumea takes 4 hours. Now with our fifth and the farthest dwarf planet, Eris. Eris has a diameter of 2326 kilometers. The distance of Eris from the Sun is 10.125 billion kilometers. The temperature of Eris is minus 217 degrees Celsius to minus 243 degrees Celsius. Eris takes 557 years to revolve around the Sun. Eris has one moon called Dysnomia. Eris takes 25.9 hours to complete a rotation. Eris is made up of nitrogen, methane, carbon monoxide, and ethane. Eris has a speed of 12,363 kilometers per hour. Eris has a density of 2.52 grams per cubic centimeters. A day on Eris takes 25.9 hours. Thank you, and if you like this video, please show a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more videos and get notifications to watch those videos. Thank you.